Hey there. In this quick video, I'll show you how to reset your Sonos Beam 2, and yes, this works for the Sonos Beam Gen 1 as well. First, turn your Sonos Beam around and unplug the power cable from the back. You can also unplug it from the wall, but for this video I'm doing it right here so it's easier to see. Next, find the infinity button. That's the one with the circle and line icon. Hold it down and keep holding it. While holding the button, plug the power cable back in. Now watch the light on the front of your beam. Keep holding the button until the light starts flashing orange and white. This may take about 35 to 45 seconds. Just be patient. As soon as you see that orange and white flashing, let go of the button. That means the beam is now resetting. Once the light turns solid green or flashing green, your Sonos Beam is now ready to set up again from the app. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more smart home tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.